Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're going to do a great praise and worship song called This Is Amazing Grace by Phil Wickham. Let's take a listen to it, then we'll learn some of it. And here's the singing. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness? Whose love is mighty and so much stronger? The King of glory, the King above all kings. All right, you like that one? I used to play this one with my family. We were in a praise and worship band at my kids' school years ago. Very fond memories, and we would play this one all the time. The kids loved it, so we just kept doing it like every morning that we had. We did once a week. We had the praise and worship at the school, so kind of neat. Let's get going on this. I want to let you know that I have a praise and worship course on my website. $1. You can try it all out. This is lesson 53. So I'm adding more and more. It's kind of a new course and everyone's loving it. I'm digging it and I'm having a great time. So let's take a look. We have an intro here, this little da 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 da. Okay? You don't have to play that part, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of goes with this song. So I want to show it to you, and then you can decide if you want to do it or not. But let's start. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you different ways to do it. So it's going to be, kind of a beginner way here, and then a little more intermediate, then advanced. But the melody is E flat, D, C, D, D, C, D, B flat, C, D, F, G. See that? You can just read those notes there. And I'm just going to put B flat in my left hand. I have a B flat in the box there. It's kind of my shorthand. So if you just take your left hand, put it on the B flat, you're good to go. And then you just do this. Okay, work on that for a while. You might have to play it 3, 4, 5 times. And then we go to the next one. It's a lot the same except for the very end. E flat, D, C, D, C, D, C, B flat, C, D, G, F. See how it goes down at the end? G, F. But otherwise, it's the same. The left hand goes to E flat, though. So start with it that way, where I'm just playing an octave in the left hand. I'm just playing a single note. For a little bit. Now we're going to add a little bit after you're ready. Okay, so it might be you might have to play that through for 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or maybe it's the next day when you try to do this next part I'm going to show you. But you're not supposed to keep up with me during the live video. Okay, so if you don't keep up, that's everybody. Okay, you have to hit pause and wait a second, and then when you're ready, I'm here. You hit unpause and we keep going. So now we're going to try a little bit extra. We're going to play that melody still, but I'm going to put F and B flat below in my other 2 fingers, like this. So I can play that F and B flat anytime I want, mainly on the accents. Da, and there. Okay, so we have. Okay, it doesn't. Everyone will play it a little bit differently. That's okay. That's how it's wonderful. We're all made differently, so we all have our different tastes. Okay, so work on that a little while. Now this one's the same way. Now I'm going to keep the same thing in my right hand. You say, well, the chord changed. I should change the notes here. It's really a B flat chord over an E flat bass is how it's harmonized. So I'm just going to keep the F and B flat. So good news for you, you don't have to change your right hand. Just do the same thing, even though your left hand does go to E flat now. Okay? Again. Okay, so play it a bunch of times that first way I showed you with just a single note. And then play it adding the F and B flat. Oh, sorry. Now to give it a little bit of a flavor, you can put the right hand up an octave. Play the exact same thing, but instead of playing here, I'm going to play it up here. right, guys. So we'll finish it on the website. We'll do the verse and the chorus. Just wanted to show you that little part there. $1 to try the course. If you're a complete beginner, hey, you're welcome. I'm starting at the very beginning on the praise and worship course. You learn everything from the ground up. We go real slow. We'll go one song at a time. All of the songs are kind of graduate a little bit at a time, like a class, like a course, so that you can proceed in a way that's going to work for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I'll talk to you later.